Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Then here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just unmute your device ringtone. We should swap this volume panel to the right side with your finger. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that in advanced settings, in volume button function, you have selected ringtone volume, not the media one. So switch it by this way, and after that let's just press up volume button, and now by this way we can also unmute our device ringtone. And we have also the third way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, and then with our fingers just by this way slide to the this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.